Embark on a sensory journey to the enchanting landscapes of India in our video, Flavors of India, a culinary expedition through Biryani. Join us as we explore the vibrant culture, diverse traditions, and the irresistible allure of one of India's most iconic dishes, Biryani. Our adventure begins in the bustling streets of Hyderabad, where the fragrant aroma of saffron-laced rice, tender meat, and aromatic spices fills the air. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Indian cuisine as we delve into the artistry of crafting this beloved culinary masterpiece. As we uncover the culinary magic behind biryani, you'll witness the skilled hands of local chefs at work. Long-grain basmati rice dances with succulent marinated meat, layered with fragrant spices and herbs. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that embodies the diversity of India. But biryani is more than just a dish. It's a reflection of India's regional diversity and cultural heritage. We'll take you on a sensory journey, from the royal kitchens of Lucknow, where fragrant Lucknowi biryani reigns supreme, to the bustling streets of Kolkata, where Kolkata biryani carries its own unique charm. Discover the significance of biryani in Indian culture, where it's not just a meal but a celebration of flavors, traditions, and togetherness. It's a dish that brings families and communities together, fostering a sense of unity and festivity. Flavors of India is not just a video, it's a tribute to the culinary traditions, diversity, and the spirit of India. Join us as we savor every moment of this culinary expedition through biryani, and experience the artistry and passion that have made this dish an integral part of Indian culture. Prepare to be inspired, educated, and transported to the vibrant streets and diverse landscapes of India by the captivating stories and delectable flavors that await you in Flavors of India, a culinary expedition through biryani.